Welcome to the English class. In this lesson, we're going to explore key vocabulary and terminologies in the field of coding and computer science, and more importantly, the careers or profession related to this field. This is going to help you as a computer scientist to use English to talk to your peers around the world. At the end of this lesson, you'll be able to identify and explore various career opportunities in coding and computer science. That's going to help you decide and work on your English that you need for these careers. And then second, understand and use key vocabulary related careers in the tech industry and more importantly in your chosen profession. And third, recognize the essential skills required to excel in different roles within the tech field, especially in coding and computer science. Let's start with software development, which is all about building the digital world we interact with every day. A software developer designs and creates core software applications. A front-end developer focuses on the user interface, ensuring the part of an application that users see and interact with are intuitive and engaging. Then, on the other hand, a back-end developer builds the server-side functionality that powers applications behind the scenes. Some developers, known as full-stack developers, work on both the front-end and back-end, bringing together the full spectrum of web development. Now, here is an overview of some key vocabulary related to careers in coding and computer science. A data scientist extracts valuable insight from complex data sets using statistical analysis and machine learning. Then we have cybersecurity specialists. A cybersecurity specialist protects organizations against threats by implementing robust security measures. And the next term is UX designer. A UX designer focuses on creating intuitive and user-friendly digital experiences. On top of that, we have DevOps engineers. DevOps engineers are people who bridge the gap between software development and the IT operation of a company. And then we have cloud architects. Cloud architects are people who design and manage the cloud infrastructure and services to meet the objective of the organizations. And then we have system administrator. A system administrator is a person responsible for the smooth operation of a company's IT system. And then we have a data analyst. In a company, a data analyst is someone who transforms raw data into meaningful information to help improve the organization performance. How about machine learning? Machine learning is an exciting and rapidly growing field in computer science, and it involves the creation of algorithms. Algorithms are what allow computers to learn from data and make predictions or decisions. And then we have data preparation. What is it? Data preparation is a significant part of that involve preparing and cleaning large data sets to train the models. And then we have model training and optimizations. In machine learning engineers train AI models using techniques such as supervised and unsupervised learning to reinforce the learning of the model. And then when they do that, they need to deploy and monitor. After developing a model, the next step is to deploy it in the real world, in real application, by integrating it into existing system and monitoring its performance over time. Now, how about vocabulary related to UX UI design? We have wireframing. In wireframing, the designer creates something that shows the plans and the layout of a structure of a website and apps. And then we have prototyping. And in prototyping, designers create interactive things to test and refine the user experience. After the prototyping, we have the user testing. In the UX and UI field, UX and UI designers conduct user testing sessions to gather design feedback. This helps ensure that the final product meets user needs and expectations. That's why we sometimes have a better version. Now, how about DevOps? DevOps is a field in computer science that bridges the gap between deployment and operations, enabling faster and more reliable software delivery. Key practices in DevOps works include continuous integration, where code changes from multiple contributors are automatically integrated into a shared repository, and continuous development. This involves creating automated pipeline for deploying code to production environment. DevOps engineers also use infrastructure as code to manage and provision infrastructure, making it easier to replicate and scale environment. And they set up monitoring system to track application performance and infrastructure health. How about cloud engineering, building in the sky? Cloud engineering focuses on building scalable and resilient cloud infrastructure using services like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. Cloud engineers design architecture, implement robust security measures to protect data. That's when we talk about security. Work on cost optimization to minimize resource usage, that is to be efficient, and help organizations migrate their existing application and infrastructure to the cloud. Now, I hope you are able to get something from the beginning up to now. Let's test your understanding with a practice quiz. You can pause the video and try to choose the letter corresponding to the correct answer. Welcome back. Have you paused the video? Were you able to answer all the questions? Did you get them correct? If you did, congratulations. If you didn't, don't worry, you'll be fine. Practice makes perfect. Welcome. This is the end of our lesson. In this lesson, we have covered various key careers in coding and computer science, including roles in development, data security, design, and emerging fields like machine learning and cloud engineering. And I hope that you have learned this vocabulary and that is going to be useful for you in your career. Understanding these words can help you decide which path you might be right for you in the tech industry. Keep practicing the vocabulary by using these terms and sentences in conversation with your peers to build your fluency.